Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 2. If you don't have object to path, object to path is pretty cool because it could do a little bit different. Well, I'm going to do this three ways. Give the person I'm trying to help some ideas. This time we're going to blend them. We're going to go new path, put on the path, blend along full path. And this is what we did before. And if you look, all the maple leaves are standing up straight. This time, we're going to blend them. We're going to put them on a new path. But this time, when we blend along full path, we're going to rotate all objects and hit apply. Now, if you look, the leaves are leaves kind of facing out all the way around, like they are up top. These are in the bottom. These are fake, and they're not perfect. Now, I said I was going to show you three ways. The other way that I might do this, and I still don't know what they're exactly doing, but I'm going to try this. I'm going to take this object and I'm going to get my shape tool and I'm going to select all these nodes and I'm going to right click and I'm going to break them apart. Now these are individual lines. Hopefully, let's see if they're still kind of connected, and really we probably have to select them all and go up to object and break the curve apart. And then now they're individual line. So if we kind of do this just to kind of play around with it, I'm going to set my nudge factor on something pretty low right now, like 1 inch. And I'm going to nudge this one up, this one over, and this one down, or down and over. We can always put them back. I would make a lot of copies of this, and what we could do if you wanted a certain amount on the ends of the, if you want them on the corners, and this might be harder said than done because there's really no centerable factor here that I can think of. But if we're going to make another copy and put it down here, and you could take your time and play with it, and then shift select these two, and let's just blend them. Let's put a little more. So we've already got two, so let's just blend them twice and hit apply. Now you don't have to do anything to the path. So we could do the same thing here. We could get a new one and put it here, and get a new one and put it here. And I'm not taking a lot of time to make sure they're perfectly centered. And I'm just going to show you here in just a second. It would bother me if I didn't do it. So I'm just putting that X on there. So now I've got that one selected. I'm going to shift select this one, and I'm going to blend them a couple of times. Now you do need to do this. You need to go and break the blend apart. And then we could take away this one and grab this line. And if you remember, I moved it down and up, or down and lower. So now if you did that all the way around, you would have maple leaves perfectly spaced out and on all the corners. And there's a way to do that in blend, but this is really pretty easy. I still don't, well, let me do one more. We can make a copy of those. We don't have to do that and make a copy of that. I'm just hitting plus on the keyboard. And I think I'm pretty close, but let's just, because there we go. Now you've got that one selected, hold down the shift key and select that one, blend, break the blend apart so you can get rid of this one. And then we're going to nudge this one up. I didn't get the line. Up, over, and up again. So now if we did one more leg of it, you would have it pretty even. Well, it would be exactly evenly spaced out. And then if, you could actually even take your lines away and you're going to form a triangle, diamond shape of that. So there's just a couple other ways to do it. If she answers email and tells me she wants something different, I'll do another one. Anyway, I hope that helped her a little bit. Thank you for watching.